It's a 2013 Ford Focus. The craftsmanship really shows in the muscular shoulders of this smart economy car. You'll be impressed at every turn, from the impeccable fuel economy of up to 40 mpg on the highway to the interior comforts. The tilt and telescoping steering wheel is sensitive to your touch, and the CD player and MP3 input are always within reach. Drive with confidence, knowing engineers created this vehicle with safety in mind by including multiple airbags, brake assist, and stability and traction control.
The sunroof gives you fresh air for your drive. The soundtrack to your life comes through crystal clear with the premium Sony audio system. Crank up your tunes and hit the road. The high-quality leather trim enhances the style, comfort, and durability of this vehicle's seats, ensuring an enjoyable drive.
The 2013 Focus's kinetic design will turn heads from day one. Are you ready to start getting noticed?
We work hard to serve our customers and to cultivate long-lasting relationships. Visit Automax Hyundai Del City today at 4401 Tinker Diagonal in Del City, Oklahoma.